In the heart of silence, a legend begins to take shape, where raw carbon fibers weave the future of high-performance engineering and unparalleled luxury. Advanced robotics dance in the shadows, guided by precision lasers that map out every curve and edge of a machine destined to redefine the electric era. Human touch meets digital perfection as master engineers inspect the pristine molds that will hold the soul of the silent beast in its most primal form. The workshop awakens, a cathedral of innovation where the air is filtered to perfection and every square inch is designed for the pursuit of ultimate speed. Each sheet is a canvas of strength, meticulously prepared with laser-guided accuracy to ensure that every fiber contributes to the overall structural integrity of the car. The cutting process is a display of absolute control, where material science meets art, preparing the building blocks for a chassis that is light as air. Layer upon layer, the foundation is built, creating a composite structure that rivals the hardness of diamond while maintaining the agility of a feather on wind. Chapter 1 concludes as the void begins to take a tangible shape, setting the stage for the birth of a monocoque that will defy traditional physics. Precision is the only language spoken here, as technicians align every weave to the micron, ensuring the structural harmony of the vehicle's very core skeleton. The vacuum sealing process begins, a critical step where atmospheric pressure is harnessed to bind the layers into a single, indestructible entity of modern engineering. Air is purged, leaving only the pure essence of the material, as the vacuum bag clings to every contour of the high-performance carbon fiber monocoque structure. The heavy gates of the autoclave open, a high-pressure oven where heat and intensity will forge the carbon components into their final, most resilient state. Inside this chamber of pressure, the chemistry of the resin and the strength of the fiber unite, undergoing a transformation that takes several hours of precision. Monitored by sensitive computers, the environment inside is perfectly controlled, ensuring the composite material reaches its peak strength without a single flaw or imperfection. Emerging from the heat, the chassis is reborn, a masterpiece of lightweight construction that provides the ultimate safety and rigidity for the 2,000 horsepower beast. This is the backbone of the legend, a single piece of carbon fiber that dictates the handling, the speed, and the safety of every future journey. Quality control is relentless, with measurements taken at every millimeter to ensure the car meets the exacting standards required for $1 million hypercar masterpiece. Every component, from the smallest bracket to the largest floor plan, undergoes the same rigorous process, creating a symphony of carbon parts ready for integration. The beauty of carbon fiber lies in its depth, a visual representation of the strength that lies beneath the surface of this incredibly silent electric predator. Surface perfection is achieved, preparing the chassis for the next phase where it will be married to the most powerful electric drivetrain ever conceived by man. The assembly line is a gallery of structural art, each piece waiting for its heart to be installed, transforming raw material into a living, breathing machine. Titanium and carbon meet in a union of strength, providing the necessary hardpoints for the suspension and the massive battery packs that will power the car. The structural phase is complete, a triumph of composite engineering that provides the perfect platform for the electric revolution that is about to take place. Behold the energy source, a dense array of lithium cells that will provide the lifeblood for 2,000 horsepower of silent, earth-shattering electric performance. The integration is handled by robots to ensure perfect alignment, as thousands of cells are combined into a single, massive energy storage system for the beast. Every connection is vital, carrying the massive current that will propel this hypercar from 0 to 60 in a time that defies conventional logic and physics. One of 4 independent motors takes its place, each a masterpiece of electromagnetic engineering designed to provide instantaneous torque to every individual wheel of the car. Accuracy is paramount, with every bolt tightened to the exact Newton meter to ensure the drivetrain can handle the violent forces of rapid electric acceleration. The heart of the motor reveals a complex web of copper, where electricity is transformed into motion with nearly 100% efficiency and total silence. 4 motors, 1 brain, working in perfect harmony to distribute power with a level of precision that mechanical systems simply cannot hope to ever achieve. The nervous system of the silent beast is laid out. A network of high-capacity cables that feed the insatiable hunger for power of the electric motors. Heat is the enemy of performance, so a complex liquid cooling system is installed to keep the batteries and motors at their optimal operating temperature always. Software meets hardware, as the digital soul of the vehicle is programmed to manage the immense power and provide a seamless driving experience for the pilot. The inverters act as the translators, converting battery power into the precise frequencies needed to spin the motors at over 20,000 revolutions per minute. The powertrain comes alive. A silent powerhouse capable of unleashing a torrent of energy that will push the boundaries of what a road car can do. Engineering at this level requires zero compromises, using only the finest materials to ensure that every kilowatt of energy is delivered with maximum possible efficiency. The underside of the car is as beautiful as the top. A smooth plane of carbon fiber designed to slice through the air with minimal aerodynamic drag. Final validation of the heart is complete, and the silent beast now possesses the strength to move, marking the end of the electric assembly phase. Handling is the bridge between power and control, featuring suspension components machined from solid blocks of aerospace-grade aluminum for the highest possible strength-to-weight ratio. Each corner of the car is equipped with intelligent damping systems that can react to road conditions in milliseconds, providing a magic carpet ride at high speeds. Stopping power is just as important as acceleration, provided by massive carbon ceramic discs that can withstand extreme heat without losing any of their braking effectiveness. Multi-piston calipers finished in signature blue provide the grip needed to bring the beast to a halt, offering the driver total confidence in any driving situation. The tolerance for error is zero, as technicians perform microscopic checks to ensure that the braking system operates with absolute perfection and consistent pedal feel. The connection between driver and road is forged here through a steering system designed to provide visceral feedback and surgical accuracy at every high-speed corner. This is where technology meets intuition. A chassis setup tuned on the world's most demanding tracks to provide an experience that is both stable and thrilling. Verification is continuous, using advanced 3D scanning to ensure that the suspension geometry matches the digital model to within a fraction of a hair's width. The final mechanical bonds are made, securing the components that will translate 2,000 horsepower into forward motion and incredible lateral grip on the asphalt. For the first time, the silent beast stands on its own 4 feet. The suspension taking the weight of the massive battery and the carbon structure effortlessly. Specialized rubber compounds are chosen to handle the immense torque, ensuring that every bit of electric energy is translated into pure, unadulterated grip and speed. Alignment is the final touch for the chassis, optimizing the contact patch for maximum performance during high-speed maneuvers and aggressive track driving sessions. Fine-tuning the balance of the car ensures that the silent beast remains composed and predictable, even when pushed to its absolute limits by the world's best. The stance is perfected, a visual promise of the performance that lies within, as the mechanical and electrical systems are now fully integrated and ready. With the chassis validated and the suspension set, the car is now ready to receive its outer skin and its luxurious, high-tech interior cabin. The skin of the beast is applied, lightweight carbon fiber panels that define the car's aerodynamic silhouette and its unmistakable, aggressive presence on the road. Tight tolerances are the hallmark of true luxury. where every body panel aligns with surgical precision, creating a seamless and beautiful exterior surface. Inside the cabin, the work of master artisans begins, where hand-stitched Alcantara and premium leathers provide a tactile experience that matches the car's extreme performance. The digital cockpit awakens, a minimalist interface that provides the pilot with all the necessary data without distracting from the primary task of driving. Racing seats designed for both comfort and support are installed, ensuring the driver remains perfectly positioned during the intense G-forces of rapid electric acceleration. The identity of the car is finalized with the placement of the emblem, a symbol of the quiet power and extreme engineering that this vehicle represents. The final polishing stage reveals the true depth of the carbon fiber, as the surface is buffed to a mirror finish that reflects the world around it. The cabin is a sanctuary of silence, isolated from the world by advanced materials and a structure that feels solid as a single block of stone. Even the smallest details, like the air vents, are engineered with a focus on tactile quality, ensuring that every interaction within the car feels special. The canopy is the final piece of the exterior puzzle, offering a fighter jet-like view of the road while maintaining the car's incredible aerodynamic efficiency. Under the driver's feet are pedals of titanium, providing the ultimate control over the 2,000 horsepower that are waiting to be unleashed at any moment. Final detailing is a labor of love, a process where every surface is perfected to ensure that the car is delivered in a truly flawless condition. The silent beast stands complete, a fusion of raw carbon power and sophisticated luxury, ready to take its place at the top of the hypercar world. Biometric security meets hyper-performance as the car recognizes its master, preparing to awaken its massive electric heart for the very first time today. Every curve has a purpose, every vent a function, as the air is sculpted to keep this 2-ton masterpiece glued to the road at any speed. The beast awakens with a signature light dance, a digital signal that the most powerful electric hypercar is alive and ready for its first breath. Laser vision pierces the darkness, lighting the path forward for a machine that can reach speeds previously thought impossible for a purely electric street vehicle. Motion begins in total silence, a ghostly movement that highlights the incredible refinement and the lack of vibration inherent in this high-tech electric drivetrain. Leaving its birthplace behind, the silent beast enters the world, a testament to what is possible when human passion and cutting-edge technology unite as one. Under the moonlight, it waits, a silent predator of the asphalt, possessing a raw power that is felt long before it is ever actually heard. With a sudden surge of instant torque, the beast vanishes into the night, leaving only the memory of its presence and a faint electric whine. The silent beast is ready to conquer the horizon, a masterpiece of engineering that proves true power doesn't need to make a sound to be felt.